Hey folks, welcome back to Fresh Produce. I'm Pete from BTI. On our channel we cover a really wide variety of new products that come through the BTI warehouses. Today I just wanted to introduce to you a new brand called Hardcore Labs. So these are bike cleaners and lubricants and kind of a wide variety of products made to clean your bike and also yourself and your gear. So let's start off here with a chain and gear cleaner. This actually comes as a concentrate. This is a kit with just an empty bottle, but if you already have an empty bottle, we sell the concentrate on its own. So going to be a little easier to ship around with that concentrated formula and just mix it up when you're ready to use it. So super quality chain cleaner, and then on any of those special grimy bits of your bike. They also make a really nice spray and wipe away bike cleaner. Maybe not quite enough for a greasy chain, but means you don't have to hose off your whole bike after every ride. Just spray the stuff on, wipe it right away. A really cool option for that day-to-day maintenance. They have a couple of different chain lubricants. This one, chain butter, is the dry version, and then we've also got an all-weather chain butter as well. As with most lubricants, they recommend putting this on a fairly clean chain already and then leaving it on for as long as possible before you ride your bike, really allowing as much as possible of the oils in this to evaporate off so that you have kind of a clean, dry chain once you're out there riding. All right, so moving right along, we've got the Odor Eraser from Hardcore Labs here. Pretty cool product to just leave in the back of your car, spray it on those items that can't be washed. Spray it on your helmet, your shoes, maybe even your gloves from time to time. Really going to keep that odor down and keep your riding partners happy. We also carry a laundry detergent from Hardcore Labs that's actually all plant-based and biodegradable. It's really good for sensitive skin or sensitive people, but also really great on tough odors for your synthetic gear. We know bike jerseys can get a unique odor to them, so that's a really cool detergent that you can use to kind of keep your stuff running fresh. All right, if you like the idea of Hardcore Labs, want to try it out for yourself, make sure you ask at your local bike shop, tell them BTI sent you, and make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our other future videos. We've got lots and lots of brand new product coming through the BTI warehouse that we'd love to introduce to you. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.